Okay, in order to get it, set up the keys in here and set up a password, we make the system come to life, and then we're gonna say star pound key.
Information.
All right, the administration is always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pound key. Okay, so I'm gonna add a new password. I'm gonna use number 1, and then no admin, we're gonna add a user. So number 2 is new user. Okay, I'm gonna say 748596 6-digit pound key.
Enter again.
Okay, 748596 pound key. Successful. Exit, 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 exit.
System exit.
You keep pushing to the exit. Okay, now you want to do finger, design a finger to it. So that's how you do finger.
Unlocked.
What we do is we make it active. We make this thing active again. Okay, we're gonna say again pound key,
Enter admin information.
star key, pound key, and then we're gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pound key.
Number key to the
Okay,
next step.
number 1, and then we're gonna add add a user, number 2.
Unlock
Okay, I'm gonna put this finger. Okay, I'm gonna put this finger here.
Enter again.
We're gonna do again.
Enter again.
We're gonna do again.
Enter again.
We're gonna do again.
Successful.
Okay, press this till you exit.
System exit.
Press it many times, get exits. So if you know, now if I put the same finger, that's supposed to open the door. See?
Unlocked.
All right. And then the new code, even if I lock the code, if I lock the door, if I want to unlock it, all right, the new code, let's change this, okay, 748596 pound key. Everything working. All right, nice day. Any issues, anything, let us know. 703-674-6366. My name is Ray. Good luck.